Alright, you guys, so I waited this out a bit, maybe 10-15 minutes, and I tried using the black satin enamel paint the same way that I used the white. I used equal parts of the Artist Loft and some pouring medium and water. And I was a bit afraid at first because the black really took over, so much so that it killed that light blue color. But after moving it around a lot, that middle part took over and it's really cool. I love how everything, check out those lines. I mean, it's so defined. And the closer I get, the less of the real color that I get. This is not coming out the way I see it at all. It's much more yellow, like mustard yellow, I'd say. And there is some cloudy effect, but I'm not gonna say right away that it's because of the black enamel paint, because I think we've all seen that kind of reaction before in tree ring pours, and it's not as intense as with the white paint. The white paint really does like a super cloudy effect. Really interesting here. So hard to film the right color, and I'm intrigued to see how this will dry. So stay tuned for the dried result. So I'm back with the dried result, and this is really interesting, you guys. Now, when I was trying with the white, the first time I tried it on its own and I didn't mix any Artist Loft in it, and it did exactly like this. You can see where the black was, it went down to the canvas, so there's incredible texture here. And with the white, it didn't look very good. And that's when I decided to add some Artist Loft in there to make it react less. So what I'm thinking is that maybe the mix with the black is just different. I have to try a different ratio. So maybe instead of putting half Artist Loft and half Satin Enamel black, maybe I should put some more Artist Loft in there. Check it out. Like, I usually don't like this type of effect, but I don't know if it's just me, but I find that it fits with the type of painting. It's actually super cool, and you can see, I forgot to mention, but I used, the gold is DecoArt, and the yellow and the red was Amsterdam. You can see that gold, right? Super interesting, and I'm gonna resin this, so that's gonna fill up those cracks there. All right, hope you guys like this, and I just learned something new again. All right, bye guys.